Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3 using application. You have to start by open EARFUN audio app, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. After that, you need to scroll down, and right here we have Find Headphones. Tap at this line. Now, let's say you lose your left earbud, you just select left earbud, and now tap at the slider near to play sound, and it will play sound for you. But right now, I cannot add the right earbud. To add the right earbud also, you need to disable sound and tap at this earbud, the second one. And now you can play for both of them. To disable sound, you need to press one time at the slider. The slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!